In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your Steam Authenticator. If you're having trouble accessing Steam Guard or want to make sure you have a reliable backup method for signing into your account, this tutorial will walk you through the process. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to retrieve your backup codes so you're better prepared if you ever lose access to your Authenticator. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If it isn't already running, launch it and wait for the login screen to appear. If you're not currently signed in, click the Sign In button to begin accessing your account. On the login page, enter your account name and password carefully. Double-check that everything is entered correctly before continuing, as even a small typing mistake can prevent you from signing in successfully. Once you're ready, click Sign In, and Steam will take you to your account's main homepage. After you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of the Steam window where you'll find your profile name. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Account Details. This section contains a variety of account management and security options that help you keep your Steam account protected. Within the Account Details page, locate the option labeled Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard provides an additional layer of security by helping verify your identity whenever you sign in from a new device. Opening this section gives you access to several security-related features, including the ability to retrieve backup codes. Next, click on Get Backup Codes. Steam will first ask you to verify your identity before displaying these codes. As part of this verification process, you'll receive a security code by text message to the phone number associated with your account. Enter the verification code into the required field and continue once it has been accepted. After your identity has been confirmed, Steam will display a list of backup codes. These codes are designed to help you regain access to your account if you can't use your normal Steam Authenticator in the future. Because they're intended for emergencies, it's important to save them somewhere secure where you'll be able to find them if you ever need them. You can write them down, save them in a trusted password manager, or store them in another secure location that only you can access. Once you've safely stored your backup codes, you've completed the recovery process. Having these codes available provides an extra layer of protection and can save you a lot of time if you ever lose access to your Authenticator or change devices. And that's it. You now know how to recover your Steam Authenticator by generating and saving your Steam Guard backup codes. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!